What's up everybody? Mitch here from Todd's Turbo Garage. The Tom's Turbo Garage Summer World Tour has been a huge success with stops at Miata's at the Gap at the Tail of the Dragon and the 27th annual shootout at Summit Motorsports Park in Norwalk, Ohio. It's been a blast meeting so many of you and seeing your awesome cars at these events. I've just had so much fun. My final stop is an event I've wanted to attend for a long time. Boom, Holley's LS Fest. LS Fest is a celebration of anything and everything powered by the undeniable GM LS engine and is held at Holley's home track, the beautiful Beach Bend Raceway in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The event features drag racing, drifting, autocross, the 3S Challenge, Track X, Show and Shine, and lots more. Check out the link in the description below for full details and ticket info. So come see me at LS Fest. I'll be there on Saturday, September 7th, hanging out at the Holley trailer with Project Thunderbolt, my LS3 powered Miata. I can't wait to see you there. All right, I better button this all up now.